getting out of work and the sun's still up. Such a beautiful day, it's nice and crisp. Matt and I want to try to go to this thing called Sippin Santa tonight. It's at this restaurant, oh gosh, I can't remember what it's called right now, but it's like a tiki bar. So we're gonna try to go to that, so it should be fun.
We have two. What kind of bar has two menus? Okay. I'll tell you, we're hosting a special event that's are available only until the 30th.
Okay.
Excellent. Those are going to be available all year.
Okay.
Here's our food menu. Lucky enough, we got tabletops. You get the full food service tonight.
I have enough wrapping papers. Do you? I am going to get gifts ready for sending in the mail tomorrow. I'm all stocked up. I'm ready to wrap. Okay, I've got gift wrapping stuff and the gifts and the tree, and I'm gonna put something Christmassy on TV and just wrap away. Also, on a side note, I know I couldn't remember the name of the restaurant we went to earlier that was having the Sippin Santa. It was called Strong Water. It's in Anaheim, and it is so amazing. They've only been open for 3 weeks. I didn't realize it was that short of a time. I know they had just opened, but I didn't know it was like 3 weeks ago. It was fantastic. If you are in the Orange County area, you must go. It was so good. The food was phenomenal. We got mussels, we got their burger. It was just so good. Like, I can't wait to go back. And then afterwards, in downtown Anaheim, Sadie baby came over here with her Frisbee. Don't look at the gifts. There's this really cool comic book store that we like to walk into and go into. And so Matt got a couple of comic books. It's the new Harley Quinn story, and I guess the third and final one just came out yesterday, and we happened to go in there. So Matt got all 3 of those. And yeah, it's just kind of fun to look around at that kind of stuff. I enjoy it. Well, welcome to Gift Wrapping Central. I got a couple gifts done already. These ones and these ones ready to be shipped. And I got 2 more to do. And that's it. But my basket for gifting is coming in super handy, helping me stay organized, know where everything is. So technically, these scissors shouldn't be on the floor. They should be in the basket because that's where I'm gonna look for them. Okay, so I'm wrapping this gift right now, and I had this piece of wrapping paper that was already cut. So I did not cut this for this. It was just like an extra piece, and I was like, oh, I think it could fit perfectly. But it doesn't, it almost does. So if you go this way, and go this way, it doesn't meet. If I turn it sideways, go this way, and go this way, it comes so close to meeting, but it doesn't. So the little trick that I do is I turn it sideways. And now if I fold this over, and fold this over, I'll be able to fold these edges over, and it fits. So just because it doesn't look like it fits, doesn't mean it's not going to. You just gotta be a little creative. So I hope that helps you if you have any wrapping left to do and you come into this situation. Turn it sideways. One other thing I did, besides keep my Amazon boxes that I got lots of stuff delivered in, I kept these guys, and it's coming in really handy for this present because there's a really big box at the very bottom, so I needed a bigger box, but I mean, it's almost full, but not quite full. And these are gonna really help everything not shift around while they're flying in the air, you know? So I'm excited. So I kept them, I'm glad I did. Now I have none left, so this is recycling at its best.